जाएंगे क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट सुपर बाइक है। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के बारे में कुछ भी ABCD नहीं मालूम।
क्लीनिंग पॉलिश वगैरह करना बाकी है। तो
To go into the much deeper options, you can just hold this button.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है अब्दुरफ और आप देख रहे हैं मैडी रोड राइडर्स। तो आज मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरा ड्रीम बाइक लेने। मैं पहुँच गया बैंगलोर एयरपोर्ट का टर्मिनल 2। क्योंकि मेरा फ़्लाइट शाम को था तो अब मैं सीधे जाऊँगा अपने होटल को। मैंने घर में किसी को नहीं बोला कि मैं एक सुपर बाइक बुक किया या मैं लेने वाला हूँ। तो सबके लिए आई थिंक ये एक सरप्राइज़ रहेगा। ख़ास तौर से मैं अपने आप को ही एक बर्थडे गिफ्ट की तरह प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। और रही बात, कल सवेरे बहुत जल्दी जागना है और वीज़ा अपॉइंटमेंट उधर जाना है, फिर उसके बाद नमाज जाना है और उसके बाद बाइक डिलीवरी लेना है। तो बहुत सारा काम है कल। अभी देखते हैं क्या हो सकता है। फ़िलहाल तो आके फ्रेश भी नहीं हुआ, सीधा ब्लॉग बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया। वीज़ा ऑफिस जाने के लिए पहला रूल कि आप बैग कैरी नहीं कर सकते। आपको एक ऐसा फाइल लेना है जिसमें सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स होना चाहिए। तो जिस होटल में मैं रुका हूँ वहाँ से जस्ट 500 मीटर दूरी के इधर ही आप लोगों का वीज़ा सेंटर है, तो मैं वहीं जा रहा हूँ। इट्स वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस, आराम से वॉक करके जा रहे हैं। वीज़ा सेंटर से बाहर निकल आ गया, अभी रूम को जा रहा हूँ। ज़्यादा टाइम लगा नहीं, 1 घंटे में हो गया सब कुछ। फाइनली मैं सुजुकी के शोरूम में आ गया। ये है शोरूम, आज डिलीवरी लेना है। आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड। आ जाइए, अंदर लेके चलते हैं, दिखाते हैं क्या है। तो अभी बाइक का सेरेमनी करने वाले हैं। लोगों ने थोड़ा सा केक कटिंग के लिए रखा है, फ्लावर्स, वेलकमिंग फ्लावर्स दिया है। वो मेरा बाइक एंड हियर द स्टाफ, मनोज कुमार हेल्प मी आउट इन एवरीथिंग राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग। Is Rohit, sales manager, and Abhishek, right? Okay. Service manager.
He's a technician, sir.
He is the specialist guy, technician, who is going to help me out in lot of other things. मतलब बहुत सारे चीज़ों में हेल्प करने वाला है। तो या here is the team तो बात ऐसा है कि आई बुक्ड द बाइक ऑल ऑफ ए सडन, कोई प्लान नहीं कुछ नहीं, एंड स्पेशली thanks to you Manoj
Thank you,
for
sir. Thank you
helping
so
me
much.
out in
But it's not a
videos.
thing, it is my primary work, and the way you conveyed and everything, I loved it. And congratulations, happy more.
Thank you so much. He's a great guy. So I'll be posting this blog anyway. अगर आप लोगों को कभी भी मतलब सुपर बाइक लेना है, then reach out to him and details he will only share.
Yeah. See, myself Manoj Kumar. So I'm the sales manager in Avani Suzuki and KH Road, Shantinagar, Bangalore. And my number is 9606092067. So you can call anytime. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. मेरा बाइक रिवील हो गया है और ये है मेरा नाइट फ्यूरी द ब्लैक बर्ड।
I seriously cannot believe I have actually bought this.
तो मुझे अभी अभिषेक भैया हेल्प करेंगे क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट सुपर बाइक है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के बारे में कुछ भी ABCD नहीं मालूम, तो वो मुझे हेल्प करेंगे इसका इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर समझाने को कि क्या है नहीं है। तो अभिषेक भैया
Sure. So this is how you start this thing. So there you go. So you get the Hayabusa logo, dials go back. So this is your basic setup of the engine, and all the your ride modes and everything is the basic screen that you will be looking at all the time. So here you can select. So first basically I'll tell you how to change the ride mode, sir. So this is A mode right now. A is the most powerful mode the bike has. So in this pretty much all the traction control, wheelie control, everything will be at minimum. So as you can see right here, power is at 1. So maximum power, TC is 1. So lowest lift control, wheelie control is at 1, engine braking is off, QS is quick shifter. So that is at 1. So at 1 it is most crisp, like it will shift quicker, there will be no delays. So at A mode, this is what you can do. And if you are, the weather is not that great, the surface is not that great, you can shift into B. So you can just push it down or push it up, you can change the mode. So right now it is in B. So in B mode, power goes down to 2, traction is a little higher, lift control is a little higher. So QS is still at that. Again, you can, it's pretty much rain mode. So see in this full traction, full lift control, power reduces a little bit. So this is in case there is rain or it's a new rider who's trying the bike, we recommend C mode. This is the most docile mode the bike has. And then again U1, U2 and U3. These are user defined modes. So this, yes. These three modes, according to you, you can set them up however you want, because ABC you cannot change. Other than the power and traction, you cannot change anything in the ABC modes. But in this U1, U2, U3, however you want, you can set up all these parameters differently according to you. So if you just come down, so you just have to press the mode to cycle through that. So right now it's trip 2. So trip 2, this is trip 1, and this is the current mileage that you will be getting on the bike while riding. And then again, this is the odo. It's at 00000. So this is the odometer of the bike, and the range. So this is range to empty. So range also will be available in this bike, and exact mileage what you're doing right now, and overall average mileage also it will be showing you. This is the battery voltage. So these are the options that you can cycle through here. And if you want to go into the much deeper options, you can just hold this button. Yeah, it'll go into display. So in display you have SDM. SDM is a Suzuki drive mode selector. So that is what the screen was right now. So you can also shift it to active data. So this is active data. So in active data, if you go back exit, so this is the display you will be getting. You can still see the ride mode, but again 14, 0. So these are the angles what the bike is doing.
So it's
Yes.
more of balancing.
Yes,
Okay.
so lean angles, whatever you're doing, you can check on that. So if you lean, so it's a 10 degree angles right now. 11 degrees, 14 degrees. And as you can just focus here, you can select the brake pressure. So how much brake pressure you are applying, what throttle input you are giving, everything is visible, even on the rear brakes. Rear brake, front brake. So all the data is available here. If you want to have this mode all time, you can change it in the deep select menu.
So deep select menu is just
You just have
pressing
to,
it
yes,
long.
you just have to hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. It will
Okay.
automatically come here. So it is riding set. So here U1, U2, UA, you can change ride modes here. So power, traction control, lift control, EB, QS, you can change all those parameters in here.
So this
Yeah.
one is where
One
I
is-
can manipulate.
Yes. So
Right,
for example, you just select that. So you can, out of 3, you can select 3 here.
So one is the minimum.
One is
The
least, yes. So least intrusion from the bike. So you will be having full 190 horsepower in one. So in two again you'll have a little bit of a lesser power. So TC1 is also minimum traction. So this also you can adjust 10 levels of traction control. So 10 is complete traction. Even at full throttle you'll have traction. The slip will be very less. So this.
मतलब 1 हुआ तो मैक्सिमम पावर,
Yes.
if it is 10, अगर 10 तक हुआ तो it is very less power.
Yes. So lift control also. Lift control, so you can adjust it. So up to 10. So lift control is anti-wheelie. So at 10, even at full throttle, the vehicle will not wheelie. It will control it very much. So again, in ride A, you will have at 1. So you have to be very careful with the throttle.
Mhm.
You can just go back, exit. RPM set. So RPM set, this is for the shift light. So shift light, you can set this off. So it's right now off. So we'll show you how it works on. So the main light will come on at 10,000 RPM. But since this vehicle is not yet service, so I would like to reduce it a little bit. So generally what Suzuki recommends is what we would see is 5,000 RPM. So at 5,000 RPM you'll get this shift light. So until first service I would recommend keeping it below 5. You can go, but just for the safety of the bike, it's better if you keep the RPMs low. So there are 3 lights that will come in. So white, orange and green. So you can adjust those light. Again sub light, if you want to change, again the green light. So you can change it. So all of this accordingly you can change, and this is the brightness. So the brightness of the light, how bright do you want it, you can change that. So hill hold assist. So the vehicle also has hill hold assist. So if you are at a steep climb and the vehicle starts to roll back, it will automatically brake with the brake. So to disengage that, you can just press this twice, it will disengage. So, but you have to be in gear for that. So this is as standard, we keep it on. Brightness of the thing, you can adjust the brightness of the screen. So based on that. So date and time, service. So service reminder, so service it will just show you, sir. So this is a service date. This can only be changed by service team.
Okay.
So default set. So default set, if you go, it's like factory settings. Everything can be given back to stop. This is the. So this is about it. So here is your basic kilometer reading. So it goes from 0 to 290 kilometers per hour. So that's your top speed. That 299 is what the vehicle stops at, it shows. So here is your fuel gauge. So minimum 5 liters, you will get a fuel light. So when it's below 5 liters, you will get a fuel light, and it is at the red. So here is your temperature gauge. So generally operating temperature we would say is below this point, and this point is a good temperature for that. Anything higher, it's a little higher. H, it should never go. If it's at H, it needs to be checked or needs to be stopped. Even if you're on highway or somewhere, you have to stop it until the engine cools down and get it to the nearest service center as soon as possible. And these are basic lights, the TC, ABS, your oil pressure light, so these are all this basic that will come up. So when the vehicle is on, none of these lights other than the ABS, TC will come on. So when you start riding, these will go off and you're neutral. So this is about the Hayabusa systems. It's a very simple bike, fairly easy to understand, and easy cruise control. So cruise control while riding can be set. So you can set with this, you can reset it. Right now it won't show you anything, but once you're riding it, it's above 40, you can adjust the cruise control, and it's much easier for the highway usage with cruise control on this bike.
एसेसरीज लगा रहे हैं। तो मेरा फ्रेंड भी आ चुका है। हाय विघ्नेश। बहुत सालों से है, जब हम विप्रो में काम करते थे तब से है। बेस्ट बडी, माय फ्रेंड। एंड देन या ही केम टू चेक आउट द बाइक। तो फाइनली मेरा बाइक हो चुका है रेडी, बस क्लीनिंग पॉलिश वगैरह करना बाकी है। तो यहाँ पे लग गया इसका टैंक पैड, टैंक का ग्रिप। तो इसमें एक फॉयल आता है, वो रिमूव करना है। तो अभी रिमूव नहीं करना है, मैं घर ले जाके उसके बाद ही रिमूव करूँगा। तो यहाँ लग गया मेरा क्रैश गार्ड, और कह लीजिए, या फिर फ्रेम स्लाइडर। और फिर इस तरफ भी दिखा देता हूँ, यहाँ है ये। और हाँ, इंजन गार्ड यहाँ पे भी लग गया है, ये RNG का। ये TRX RNG का मिला नहीं तो TRX ही लगा लिए हम। और यही है, बाइक हो गया मेरा रेडी। यहाँ पे बबल रैपिंग चल रहा है।
तो यहाँ पे अच्छे से बबल रैप किया गया है, जैसे कि आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं। और ये हो जाने के बाद, अच्छे से कुशनिंग करने के बाद, वही फ्रेम यूज़ किया गया है इसको ओवरऑल फुल प्रोटेक्शन देने के लिए। और उसके बाद इसके ऊपर प्लाईवुड का कवर करके फिर इस गाड़ी में चढ़ा के वापस शिप किया जाएगा असम तक। आई होप मेरे बाइक का डिलीवरी का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा। कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिए एंड आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर देम। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़, और मिलते हैं एक और नए वीडियो में।